Can I just thank someone tonight?
No. Yes, you can.
I'm a fan.
Electric fan?
No.
Stand fan?
Ceiling fan?
Noon, Diyosa. Fan kita, te. Oh my God.
Anong reaction mo? Nakamukha mo si Miss Myrna.
Of course, I'm very grateful kasi sobrang ganda ni Ate Myrna. And kinikilig ako palagi pag sinasabi yun.
How about Aling Myrna?
Iba na yun, te.
Ay, iba na ba yun? Great answer. Great metaphor for a bamboo. I thought she's gonna say she can relate to bamboo because she's also a singer.
The final question is... No final question for you.
Yes. Thank you.
Airtime.
The blessings that God given to me.
Speaking of blessings ni Lord, we have here the final question.
All right, your first